Okay, what they're telling, consider the case of clock 1 and clock 2, clock 1A, clock 1B, copies the same signal clock. Okay, so clock 1A, clock 1B, two clock signals. Okay, this is going clock B, this is one going clock A. Simple sequential logic driven by two buffered copies of clock 1. So clock 1 is a source. Okay, so clock 1 is giving clock 1A and clock
The
1.
clocks are given in crystal oscillator.
No. Clock is given by test bench. Okay, we are talking in terms of simulations.
Yes.
Okay, so simulation, when we are giving clock means, so here you have to give clock, so that clock is divided in 1A and 1B. Okay, so two copies of clock 1 signal, right? They are telling. In this case, passage of clock A and passage of clock B occur at the same simulation time. Can there be race condition caused by the two clock signal being guaranteed for different blocks of RTL code? What they are telling, this clock and this clock both will act at the same time. Okay, this clock and this clock both will come at same time, right? Both, no, suppose assume that both are having same wire delay, so both will come at the same time,
Yes.
right? So they are telling, can there be race condition caused by the two clock signal being generated from the different blocks of the RTL code? So answer is, if sequential logic driven by the two clock is properly coded with no delay non-blocking assignment, the answer is no. So if you have not used any delay here with non-blocking, as we told #1,
With no delay, the passage of the clock is coming
To the-
through the two blocks are same time.
at the same time. If you have used somewhere delay,
Mm.
okay, then this will come somewhat late, or where you have used delay, that much after that much delay you will get the output, right?
Okay.